In today's video, we're going to talk about the central dogma of life. Ever imagined why DNA is called the blueprint of life? Also, how is RNA made? And how are the proteins made? It is known that DNA has all the information. It is like a library that also contains the instructions for every protein you will ever need to sustain an organism. So, DNA gives information on how to make these proteins. But how and where does this process occur? Let's take a look into that. DNA, or our library, occurs in the nucleus of the cell. It is known that proteins are made in the cytoplasm, which is the area outside of the nucleus. So, DNA does not directly make proteins. Instead, when the cell needs a protein, it creates a messenger, a temporary copy of just the page it needs from the library of the DNA. The messenger is called mRNA, and this process of making RNA copy from the DNA template is called transcription. With its fresh instructions in hand, mRNA leaves the nucleus. It travels across the cytoplasm to a massive factory called ribosome. Here, the code on the mRNA is read to build a chain of amino acids that are proteins. Each three-letter word on the mRNA tells the ribosome which amino acid to add next. Slowly, it assembles these amino acids into a long chain, and that chain folds into a protein. This step is called translation, converting the message into a protein. And just like that, the cell now has a brand new protein, a worker who will build structures, fight infections, send signals, or run reactions, etc. So the DNA library stores the master instructions. The mRNA messenger copies these instructions and carries the message across nucleus. And the ribosome reads this message and builds the protein. So the flow of information in all living cells is from DNA to RNA to protein. There are some exceptions where some viruses like the HIV can reverse this flow. They can use an enzyme called reverse transcriptase to convert RNA back into DNA. So, next time you hear central dogma, think of it as this amazing journey of genetic information from a protected DNA library to a little messenger RNA to a ribosome factory that brings proteins to life. Hope this video helps understand the whole process of central dogma of life. This video took a lot of hard work, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.